Now do business the smart way and take your business online with the Chef Buddy app. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your digital kitchen. A digital kitchen is an online store for your food business. You can create this by adding your dishes and share the kitchen link with your customers on WhatsApp and social media. Anyone who clicks on this link will be able to view your menu, select the dishes, make the payment and place their orders. So now let me show you how you can set up your digital kitchen with zero setup cost. On your app screen, click on Setup Digital Kitchen. Here you can give your kitchen a name. So I will call mine Just Bake. You can give a kitchen description as well. So for example, I'll put here freshly baked products and click on Proceed. Here you can select the mode of delivery, whether you offer home delivery or pickup. For now, I'll just select home delivery, but you can select both. Here the app will ask me whether there are any extra delivery charges. So you can select no extra charge, or if your delivery charges are fixed, you can put a fixed delivery fee. Or you can select the third option that the delivery charges are based on distance. Once done, click on Proceed. Now you can create a menu that will go into your digital kitchen. So you'll see options to create a menu for breakfast, lunch, dinner or anything else. We'll create a menu for desserts. Select a cover image for our menu and click on Proceed. Now these are some of the products that I had previously added on the app. You can select products that you want to put in your menu and click on Proceed. So before you create a digital kitchen, we would recommend that you put some of your products on the app. Now the app asks you what are the menu timings, whether it's available on all days of the week or a few days in a week. Then you select the delivery time. So my menu is available between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. So you can select according to your business timings. Now the cool part here is that you can also select a pre-order time. So let's say I need an advance notice of 45 minutes before I can dispatch the order. And just click on Create Menu. So your menu is created. Now to share this menu with your customers on WhatsApp or on social media, you can click on the Share Kitchen link on top and share it with ease. So once the customer places the order, this is how you receive it on your phone. There's an in-app alert that you get and you can choose to accept it or reject the order. Sometimes customers prefer to place their orders on message or a phone call. With the Chef Buddy app, it is very easy to record all your orders in one place, whether coming directly or through the digital kitchen link. For doing this, on your home screen, click on Quick Add. Select the customers. Now these are some customers I had previously added on the app. You can click on Add Now to add a new customer. You can select the customer who has placed the order and click on Proceed. Now just select what items have they ordered. If it's a bulk order, you can tap here to add that bulk order for the customer and then click on Proceed. Select the delivery details when they want this order, let's say tomorrow evening. If there are any additional buyer notes, any specifications, you can add them here. If you charge some delivery fee, you can add it here. And if there's a discount you want to give, you can add it here. And click on Proceed. And click on Save and Confirm Order. In case you want to directly add a bulk order, you can just click on Other Options, select the first option here and create a bulk order in a similar manner. Once you are done adding orders in any of these two ways, the Chef Buddy app will calculate your sales, profits and pending payments. But more on that in a separate video. Until then, you can start by setting up your digital kitchen and share it with your customers.